Hello everyone! We're excited to announce a fantastic new opportunity here at Meal Prep Sunday. We've just launched our affiliate program and it's designed so you can earn money by sharing our amazing service in your affiliate links with others to share how we make a positive change in our client life. We're thrilled to work with you on this exciting journey and we believe this program will be a great success for everyone involved. Thank you for being a part of the Meal Prep Sunday family and we can't wait to see the amazing results we will achieve together. Now, let's dive into the affiliate program works and how we can get started.
Welcome to the Meal Prep Sunday affiliate program. We're thrilled to have you on board and look forward to working together to make this partnership a great success. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. The Meal Prep Sunday affiliate program offers numerous benefits designed to help you earn money. You'll enjoy generous commissions for every sale made through your referrals. Our team provides ongoing support to assist you throughout your affiliate journey. Additionally, you'll have access to a variety of high-quality marketing materials to boost your sales. Our efficient tracking system allows you to monitor your sales and earnings effortlessly. Plus, you have the flexibility to accumulate earnings and exchange them for plans or withdraw the money whenever you wish. Let's first log into your account. Once logged in, you'll be presented with the onboarding page, which gives you a general overview of your status with the affiliate program, along with other tools and resources that we will cover later in the video. On the top right, you'll see a menu button. Press that, and on the left you'll see the drop-down menu. This allows you to navigate the principal sections to manage the dashboard. In this video, we'll be going over the Affiliate Marketing tab, Settings, Payouts, and All Statistics tab exclusively. The Affiliate Marketing tab is where you can manage your referral links. Here, you can create a custom affiliate slug, which gives you a unique referral URL. For example, my name is Tassio, so I can make that my custom affiliate tag. To do this, type your chosen slug in the box and press the Save Custom Slug button. You'll see a box titled Referral URL, which is the shareable URL for your affiliate link. Once you press Save Custom Tag, your custom slug will appear in the URL. Note that each slug must be unique, so ensure the one you choose isn't already taken. Below your URL, you'll find your QR code. You can click on the QR code to save or print it. Lastly, on this page is the Referral URL generator. Here, you can input a URL to generate a referral link to your affiliate campaign. This link can be from any platform you like, such as Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or your own website. This ensures that your campaign is linked to your Meal Prep Sunday affiliate page. Your referral URL is the only way to connect with those using your affiliate link and track your conversions. Share your links and QR code on social media to spread the word. If you need content to accompany your promotion, we have assets available. Select Creatives from the menu on the left, which brings you to a page with prepared content for download. Make sure to check back often as we will update this page with new content. Next, let's move to the Settings section. Here, you can enable push notifications for new referrals. Simply click the box to enable this feature. Below that, there's a section titled PayPal Payment. We use PayPal for payments, so you must have a PayPal account. Enter the email linked to your PayPal account here. Payments will be sent to your PayPal account, and from there, you can transfer the funds to your bank account. In the Payouts tab, you can track your payment progression. This page shows the date you were paid, the amount, payment method, payment status, and estimated arrival date. This page serves as your payment history for your records. Now, let's select All Statistics from the menu. In this section, you can monitor your conversion progress. You'll see your referrals, both paid and unpaid, visits from your affiliate links, conversion rates, unpaid earnings, paid earnings, commission rate, and lifetime customers. Additionally, you can review data on how your marketing campaigns are performing. For each campaign, you'll see the number of visits generated, unique links, conversions, and conversion rates. This tab provides all the information you need to track your earnings and evaluate your marketing efforts. Finally, let's return to the Onboarding tab. Here, you'll find a general overview of your progress with the program. You'll see your referrals, visits, and conversion rates for the last 30 days and all time. Additionally, you'll see recent referral activity, displaying how much you earned and whether you've been paid for those referrals. If you have any more questions, we have 3 training sections with videos to further assist you in your partnership with us. Thank you for working with us. We're excited to bring the benefits of our healthy product line to your network and increase your earnings while promoting wellness. Together, we can spread the word about the positive impact Meal Prep Sunday can have on people's daily lives.